Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a poster in Canva. So, first things first, open your browser and go to canva.com. Now, log into your account if you have not already. And if you do not have account, then you can sign up as Canva offers a free version. And once you're on the homepage of the Canva, you will see a search bar at the top. Click on it and then type poster and browse through the available templates. Here you will find templates of different range. So pick a template that suits your needs. And here you will notice templates with crown icon. So they are for the pro users, but there are also plenty of free options. So you can use the one which works for you. But if you want to create something from scratch, for this, click on create a blank poster. Now this opens Canva's editor. So here you can customize the design. So now at the start of the screen, we have our designs where again I can select a template and start customizing it. And on the left side of your screen, you can see we have this option of elements. So click on elements. Here we have different lines and shapes, graphics, stickers. So here we have a lot of things to work with. Okay, after elements, next we have is uploads. And this is where we will upload our images, videos, or anything that you want to add. And after uploads, next one we have is text. Text is an important part of a poster. So we will be adding the headings from here. And then we have projects, audio, and apps. So let's get started. If you want to change the background color, then click on the background and choose a color. Once you're done, click on elements on the left side of your screen. So here in elements, I'm going to search for shapes. And here you can see we have number of options of shapes available. So you can choose whatever works for you. So I'm going for this shape. You can resize and change its color. For instance, make it red or black to make your text stand out. Moving to the next thing, which is to insert the text. For this, click on text on the left panel and then choose add a heading and then type your main text. Here I'm going with we are hiring and you can adjust the font size. You can choose spacing and readability as well. And if you want your text to appear bold, then you can choose bold from the toolbar. Once you're done, go to elements and search for relevant graphics, which here is a speaker icon or maybe an announcement icon. Search for it. And once you find something you like, click on it. Now resize this on your canvas and position it on your poster for a balanced look. Once done, click on text and click on add a subheading for details like why you're hiring or your company information. You can also add a call to action like apply now and your website or contact information at the bottom of your poster. But make sure to keep your text concise and ensure it's easy to read. Now align all the elements for a clean and a professional layout. Once your poster is ready, click on share button in the top right corner and then choose download and then save your poster. Link in description to try Canva Pro for free.